And first of all, we're going to go up, if I can get this right, because this is one of the tricky bits, the traction board hill onto the junky fence panels. But the traction board is only just wide enough for the car. So you have to take it really gently, and then when the tyres spin, it does like to slip to one side. So we've just got to crawl it up, like tickle it up as slow as we possibly can. The back tyre's just starting to come off ever so slightly, but hopefully I'm almost at the top. So we should be all good. It's always nice when we nail it first time around. Over the fence panels. Then it gets a bit higgledy-pickledy, as I've got to do a little turn around to come back down the other side. Not going to be able to nail this quite in one.
So get in the way.
Don't mind Alana. She repositions. Let me reverse back. Push them canes.
Who left them there?
Get the back end over as far as I possibly can.
Moral support dog is on standby.
Alana's also on standby over that side to catch it if it does go off that side.
Catch it.
But getting the front end on is one thing, but the back end does like to slip and slide a little bit. So front end is on.
Moral support digging dog at the bottom.
Using the motor to hold the weight of the RC car
close.
As it drops down. But we're just going to tickle it down. We're literally using the motor to provide almost like the braking. I'm using the throttle to almost ease off the brakes ever so slightly, and we'll just tickle it down nicely. Skittles is deciding to continue digging a hole. This next bit, I'm hoping it's going to work. I might need to adjust a little bit because, yeah, let me just see if I can kick that traction board out the way. Bear with as I adjust because I haven't really thought this through. And then we're up to Goodyear tyre hill, so hopefully kind of get it lined up. Then we need to give it a good squirt of throttle to be able to get up here. So there, oh yeah, oh not quite, oopsie, bear with.
Well, we're digging another hole now.
Stick my diff locks in, hopefully.
I'm going to come this other side. Bear with me. You might need to cut this bit out.
And then we're ready. Oh, not quite. Let's go back again. Skits is going to be in the firing line at this point, but
yeah, she's fine.
Up, there you go, and over we go. Down the other side. Take out the diff locks. And down we go. What we call in this section, Alana? Pallet mound?
No, pallet planks. So that's what we're going to go with for now.
We're walking the plank here.
Run into a concrete fence post.
And then once we're over this side, we can double back. Just minding the dog as Skittles likes to walk in front of the car. And then get it set up. Crawl it over the stones. I almost need a horn on this to persuade Skittles out of the way. Thanks Skittles for showing us how to do that. Over to the blue brick road. We've put some mud and everything in between to stop the sides from hitting down, but yeah, the H8H handles this like an absolute dream. Then once it's over there, we're going to do another 180-degree turn. So forwards. You're probably getting a great vision of my legs just there. Back it up into the rhubarb. Up the hill we go. Get it leveled up. It's not that wide overall, so we've got to make sure it's lined up nicely. Up the hill, onto the tyre. I do want to drop this ramp down a little bit because I think the H8H handles it almost too well. Up and then down the other side. Try and turn it over to that side a little bit.
You don't want any more capsizements.
No capsizements. And then we'll go over the little sand pit. Through the sand we go. And then we're going to take to the bridge. We've got two options. We've got the wooden bridge or we've got the concrete slopes. This section's quite cool because there's lots of different ways we can go about doing it. I'm just going to reverse back, get myself plenty of space to get lined up. Onto the parasol weight. Nothing in this garden has gone to spare. Ooh, little bit jabby on the throttle there. Try and get up onto the concrete block. Get myself lined up. Over we go. And this is the fun part because it goes out of vision temporarily, so you might need to bear with me as we both reposition. But off the other side, mind the little solar light. Oh, and caught on a twig. The GoPro's probably facing the sky right now.
No, it's all good. You're all good.
Onto the block, missing the solar light just there. Around the other side. Oh, tilty McTilty face. Can we do this in one? Skittles is just saying hi to Alana, as you might be able to see from the camera on the H8H. Crawling it down.
Just sitting down for the finale. You're squishing the lavender.
Just pushing some of the lavender down to enlargen the course. And down the other side to the camera and across the finish line.
Camera reception.
Camera reception.